How is everybody doing today? I came home today from work. It's Tuesday, and I had this package waiting for me. This is a mystery box. It is the largest mystery box available from Car Throttle. I decided to get one. I've never done anything like this before, so I am here with you today to unbox this mysterious package with you guys. And let's see what kind of things you get for about $80 Canadian shipped. I have not opened this yet. As you can see, it is completely sealed up. So first things first, I have a Porsche t-shirt. Extra large. It'll probably fit me, I'm hoping, after it shrinks a bit. And I got a new shirt, so that's pretty cool. Porsche. Not bad, not bad. What else do we got in here? All right. Sticker. It is very girly. Yeah, don't know where I'm going to be putting that. We got Strawberry Summer Air Freshener. Not bad. Don't know where I'm going to put that. We got a LED flashlight. That is a powerful little guy. Holy crap. Magnetized. Not bad. What else do we got going here? No idea what this is. Oh, a little multi-utility tool. That's pretty cool. Not bad, not bad. I was really hoping that I would get that little turbo air freshener thingy. Quick and easy, long-lasting, glossy finish. Roar Speed Gloss. Cool. Can never have too much of this stuff right here. And one last thing. What could this be? I'm going to put my phone down. That is being held up by my hand. 2 seconds. All right, so it is a car charger of some sorts. It looks like a regular old car charger. Cool, I guess. Yeah, I guess it's just a car charger. So, I always wondered if these things were worth it. I guess you be the judge. I don't really know what all this stuff goes for. Let's say the shirt, $25 Canadian. This is probably a, I don't know, $10 China piece, so $40. This is pretty cool, actually, I must say. So this is probably $10. So it's about $45. This is about, let's just say $5 rounded up, so it's $50. And then this thing, I don't know what this thing would be worth, $10. So like $60, right? Roughly 60. And then this, probably just 15. So, I mean, do I have $80 worth here? I doubt it, but it's probably pretty close to $80. I'm most excited about the shirt and this, if it's an actually a good product. And then everything else will probably just end up in the junk drawer, except for the flashlight. But yeah, there you go. That is the Car Throttle mystery box. That's what I got, ladies and gentlemen. Peace.